So I'm continuing with the third part of Musée Historique in Strasbourg in France, Strasbourg. And as you can see here, you can see a body armor, you can see a musket, you can see stirrups, boots, and also different types of sabers. And let me just explain them to you. We have the musket, as you can see there, is a Dragoon Flintlock musket, year 9 model, and it has a bayonet as well. 1815, that's the model 1815. It is a manufacturer of Mutzig, or the Mutzig as they call it, and the National Firearms Factory in Mutzig was set up in 1793 to supply weapons during the revolutionary period, began really to expand after being bought in 1803 by Jacques Coulaux, a gunsmith in Strasbourg. Let me just show these beauties, more of them to you. We also have its numbers rose to 100,000 in 1814. So you see how important these things are, as you have seen them here. We have also to the left, you see that here also there are the keys to the city of Strasbourg and presentation plate about 1805. The keys were presented to Napoleon on his return from Austerlitz in 1806, where he was really successful in the battle, then to Charles V in 1829, to Napoleon III in 1852, and to President Poincaré in 1918. And yes, so these are these things which you can see it here. Very impressive. And then we have also a pair of spurs of Baron General Louis Jacques de Couhorn, 1771 to 1813, an 18 of Strasbourg, Cohorn distinguished himself in numerous battles from 1805. He was made a general in 1807 and appointed to Maréchal Oudinot's 3rd Grenadier Brigade. In 1808, he was made a Baron of the Empire. He died a prisoner after a cannonball shot away his thigh at the Battle of Leipzig. Then we have Eagle from a cartridge pouch of the Imperial Guard of Honour of the city of Strasbourg. So you see that very, very important artifacts, and from Napoleonic period, these are unbelievable, and the glamour you see there, it is really magnificent to see these things, right?